Place suspension flat on a table. Make sure the number on the buckles at the end of the suspension strap are facing down. Snap buckles onto the headband one by one and twist downward to lock in place. Each buckle has two size settings for your comfort. Choose a lower number for a tight fit or a higher number for a loose fit. Grab the assembled pieces and push clips firmly into the attachment slots at every corner of the helmet. Make sure the pull and twist ratchet system is placed at the back of the hard hat. Your hard hat is now ready to be used.